We'll haul up our gear now and steer for the light, 'cause it's windy old weather, stormy old weather. When no wind blows, we all pull together.
Wind energy. Wind power is a conversion of wind energy to a useful form of energy, such as using wind turbines to make electrical power, to use windmills to make mechanical powers, wind pumps for water pumping or drainage or sails to propel ships. Wind power as an alternative to fossil fuels is plentiful, renewable, and widely uses little land. Any effects on the environment are generally less problematic than those from other power sources. As of 2011, Denmark is generating more than a quarter of its electricity, and around the world 83 countries, they use wind power as a commercial base. In 2010, energy production, this wind energy production was over 2.5% of annual. The monetary cost per unit of energy produced is similar to the cost for new coal and gas installations. Wind power is very consistent from year to year, but it has significant variation over short time scale. Sailboats and sailing ships, they have been using wind power for thousands and thousands of years. It has been used in also architecting. Architects, they have used wind-driven natural ventilation in buildings since similar ancient times. Wind energy is a kinetic energy of air in motion. Wind is a movement of air across the surface of the earth, affected by areas of high pressure and of low pressure. The surface of the earth is heated unevenly by the sun, depending on the factors such as angle of incidence of the sun's rays at the surface, which differs with latitude and the time of the day. Also, large bodies of water, such as oceans, heat up and cool down slower than the land. The heat energy absorbed at the earth, they transferred to the air directly above it. The rotation of the earth drags the atmosphere around, with it causing turbulence. These effects combine to cause a constantly varying patterns of winds across the surface of the earth. Nowadays, many countries, they are planning to supply 10% of their total electricity need through the wind. Therefore, is being developed many wind energy related technologies. Each technological newness, each technological invention is one step forward to use wind energy in a good way. And every good invention is to take more advantage of wind. You are going to use our videos, which is Windy Day titled. You will bear witness that how huge and tremendous windy source exists in the earth. In our video clip, you will see that two friends, they visit from warm country to Vasa. They never seen such windy day in their life. They couldn't hold their umbrella because of windy day. They couldn't light their cigarette because of windy day. They couldn't take their map because of windy day. And even their thermos fell down because of windy day. Here you are our video clip.
I advise let's go a little trip to Repulon and we make little travel. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so because check out the weather. I mean, you should really try because I've never seen Repulon in this weather. Yeah.
Are you first time in Vasa?
Yeah.
You too? Oh my god. Vasa, fantastic city.
It's fantastic city.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, okay, let's go. I stopped my car in the
Sure.
parking stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. You should get some tea also.
Yeah, I have coffee.
Okay.
Where would you sit? Would you prefer to sit inside or outside?
I mean, I don't know. I think let's go better outside because I just want to experience this real wind,
Real
this
cold.
real sea cold. Yeah.
Okay,
Because
let's go.
we always sit inside. Let's go outside.